In the diagram, ABC is a rectangle. AB is 12 cm. Okay, AB is 12 cm. BC is 8 cm. AP, BQ, CR, and DS are all x cm. Okay, A, find an expression in terms of x for the length of QC. So that's the first question. So let's try to attempt that. A1, the length of QC. Well, QC. This is QC. BC is 8 cm and BQ is x, which means that QC is equal to 8 minus x. Okay, that's the expression for QC. Number 2, the area of triangle CQR. Okay, the area of a triangle is equal to half time base times height. So that means the area of triangle CRQ, that is equal to 1 over 2 x and 8 minus x. Okay, that's the height of the triangle or length of QC. Let's take a look at the question B. Hence, show that the area in square centimeters of the quadrilateral PQRS is this. Alright, now, well, we have noted down the area of QRC. So, QRC is this expression here. That area is the same as this triangle over here. But we haven't figured out the expression for the triangle of PBQ and DRS. So let's do that now. Area of a triangle PBQ, that is equal to the area of DRS, which is equal to 1/2 x 12 minus x. Okay, that is x times length of dr, which is 12. Okay, 12 minus x. Okay, that means area of quadrilateral PQRS, that is equal to, okay, the triangle, the area of the whole rectangle, which is 12 times 8, and then minus 2 times the area of triangle CRQ, meaning 2 times 1/2 x, 8 minus x, and minus 2 times the triangle of DRS, 2 1/2 x, 12 minus x. Okay, now, and this is going to be the expression 12 times 8. Okay, 12 times 8 is 96 minus, okay, this cancels off likewise. Okay, so we end up with minus 8x plus x squared, and then minus 12 plus x squared. So that is equal to, I'm rearranging it, 2 terms of x squared, that means 2x squared, and then minus 8x minus 12x, that is minus 20x, and then plus 96. So this the equation here is proven, yeah, that matches. All right, now let's answer C. Okay, question C now. When the area of quadrilateral PQRS is 60 cm, form an equation in X and show that it simplifies to this. Okay, let me use my laser pointer there. It simplifies to this. Okay, we're going to take this expression because that is the expression of the area of PQRS. Okay, so 2x squared minus 20x plus 96, that equals 60. So what we need to do is to minus 60 on both sides. Minus 60 and minus 60 over here. Then we have 2x squared minus 20x plus 36 equal to 0. So we divide them both sides of the equation by 2 to simplify it. So we will get x squared minus 10x plus 18 equal to 0. So again, we have proven this. Alright, let's take a look at D now. Solve the equation. Okay, we're going to solve this equation. Okay, and giving each answer correct to 2 decimal places. So D. Well, it looks like, the question gives us a clue. It says that 2 decimal places. That means we cannot factorize this. So what we can do to solve this is either by using quadratic formula or by doing completing the square. So I think I'm going to do completing the square here. So this, if I turn it into completing the square format of a square of a linear expression plus a constant, then I'm going to have x minus 5 squared, and then I'm going to take back 25 here because minus 5 squared is 25, and I need to go and deduct 25 back from this expression after it's being squared, and then plus 18, that is equal to 0. That is 18 coming from here. So that means that becomes x minus 5 squared minus 25 plus 18, that is 18 minus 25. Well, I'm gonna move everything to the right, so that is equal to 7. Okay, that is 25 minus 18, that is 7. So if you want to find out the value of x, then we take a square root of both sides. But over here we have got it. The right side of it become plus minus, because square root of 7 is equal to plus minus square root of 7. So that means x minus 5 is equal to plus minus 7. Okay, I'm going to continue here. Right. Then x is equal to 5 plus minus 7, which means that x is equal to 5 plus, square root of 7. Well, I missed out square root. So square root of 7, or x is equal to 5 minus square root of 7. So now we can solve using a calculator. Let me use my calculator here. So that is 5 plus square root. So that is rounded to 2 decimal places. So that is 7.65. Or x is equal to, let me make it a bit nicer for x. That is equal to 5 minus square root of 7. 2.35. So that's does it for D. So now let's take a look at question E. Question E. 2x squared plus 20x plus 96, that is equal to 2x minus 5 squared plus k. So we are going to find the value of k, yeah. So again, I'm going to need to do completing the square here for the expression on the left side. So that is now 2x squared minus 10x. Okay, then I just leave this 96 just as is. Okay, that is equal to completing the square. Then I'm gonna have x minus 5 squared, and then minus 25 again, as I explained earlier, plus 96. So this is equal to 2x minus 5 squared minus 50 plus 96, that is equal to 2x minus 5 squared. This becomes plus 46. Okay, so this is what it is. So that means, therefore, k is equal to 46. Okay, number 2. Hence, write down the smallest possible area of the quadrilateral PQRS and the value of x at which it occurs. Alright, now, if you are able to translate this expression here, if I'm going to put this as fx equal to 2x minus 5 squared plus 46, and we sketch the graph, then it's going to be a parabolic curve like this. Okay, this could be the x-axis. Okay, we do not bother to write down to draw the y-axis, so this is x-axis. This 46 is the minimum point. Okay, minimum point of the curve, meaning it sits here right at the bottom of the curve. And when does that happen? It happens when this expression over here equals 0, right? Because 2x minus 5 squared can never become negative. It's always 0 or above than that, always 0 or more than 0. And that's the reason why 46 is the minimum value for fx. That's the minimum value for the area of the quadrilateral PQRS. And that happens when this side is equal to 0. And when does it become 0? That is when x is equal to 5. Then because 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So in short, it happens at 5. And if this is fx, yeah, then this is 46. Well, let me summarize. I have eaten up all the spaces. Just write this in white font, okay? Smallest possible area for PQRS is 46. The unit is cm squared. When x is equal to 5, so that does it, and that completes the whole problem on this. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this really helps you, then do consider subscribing to this channel and click like. And if you think that you have more questions or similar questions like this, do let me know. Maybe, if I have a time, I will try to solve it for you. Okay, see you again. Bye.